Perfumes, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl J Baby, and I am back with another Five Below series. So this is series part 2. Okay, I hope you guys did not miss part 1 of my Five Below series. I'm doing a series on their perfumes that they have. They are duping Kim Kardashian, Paris Hilton, Britney Spears, Ariana Grande, Billie Eilish, and I think they also duping K.I.Lee, okay? But anyway, so these are affordable perfumes. They are $5. I have some perfumes that are duping. I'm going to look at my notes that are duping Aquilina Pink Sugar. Pink Sugar has the notes of red berries, licorice, cotton candy, caramel, and sandalwood, and Aquilina Pink Sugar came out in 2004. So I have 2 of these young ladies right here that I'm going to try. I opened up this one because I wanted to see while I was in the store, like, okay, if I'm going to buy 2 pink candies, and I need to know why. The bottle is amazing. The packaging is beautiful as well. So I opened up this one. Sorry I didn't open together, but I opened up this one and I was like, you know what, since I opened it, let me get it. So this first one that I'm going to open up will be, let's just do this one right here. This one is not open. So this one is the pink candy. And this is from Myrage. I think of Myrage. Okay, so you see it's cardboard right here. Cardboard, y'all. You take it out like that and you get it just like so. Beautiful pink bottle. The bottle is really, really pretty, really pretty. I love the way it looks, the color of it. The pink in it is just beautiful. Y'all, may I add before I go ahead on and do this, I wore this morning combination. I layered Black Opium and Tom Ford Lost Cherry. Baby, they have YSL Black Opium with cherry. So I thought when I went to Ulta yesterday, I said, you know what? I smelled it and it smelled amazing. I said, you know what? I have Black Opium, YSL Black Opium, and I have Tom Ford Lost Cherry. Let me just go ahead and put them together, girl. It smells amazing, okay? So if you ever get a chance to layer them together, I layered them together today, and I mean, we talking about beast mode all day. Okay, back to the video. Back to our series. So this right here is Pink Sugar. It's a glass bottle. Glass bottle. It is how many mil? We have 3.4 mil. So 3.4 mil is 100 mil. 3.4 ounce, I'm sorry, is 100 mil. So this is what it looks like, all pink. Even the writing is pink. It's really beautiful. The top is straight plastic, okay? The bottle is glass. I already know what Pink Sugar smells like by Aquilina. I've had it several times and I know what it smells like. It'll give you a sweet tooth if you're not careful, okay? Because Pink Sugar is very, very sweet. So cotton candy like sweet. So I'm getting the sprays out. This is a nice sprayer. You see it? Nice sprayer. So let's get that out. Listen, I'm telling you, I smell it right now. That's one thing I know about this, because I've had something like this before from Five Below, and it lasts all freaking day. This is so beautiful, y'all. It's lightly but beautiful. With the Aquilina, we know Aquilina is even sweeter, so this is really sweet though. But oh my goodness. Okay, it says, I am on the website, and it says pink candy has a fresh mod with luminous bergamot, sweetened with juicy wild strawberries, spiced with almonds and refreshed with green leaves, providing a sparkling feeling to the scent. The heart beats in a romantic rhythm of classic shades of various white flowers and intoxicating jasmine. I love it how they just, you know, put it on there. So they say with this is versatile all year round, as they say. And it says that, yeah, all year round. That's what they say about this. This smells so good. It smells amazing. It smells a little stingy on the sugar part, but it still smells amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead on and get into the next one. The next one is Pink Candy limited edition. So this is the limited edition one. This is the one I really wanted to get my hands on to smell. This right here, it lasts all day. So this one right here, it comes with a top like this. And inside of it, it has like this little thing right here in it. I like to take the plastic off. I don't like to have the plastic on it. So this is it. This is beautiful. The packaging is so beautiful. So this right here is a limited edition. And how many ounces is this? I need glasses on to see. I need glasses on to see how many ounces this is. Let me tell you something. Five Below is duping. Okay, this is a 3.4 as well ounce, so it's 100 mil. So they have on here about the limited edition one, and girl, look at this bottle. You want to talk about gorgeous? This bottle is so gorgeous. The top is plasticky, like so. Look at this. It's woven like the way it is. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness, like get with it, okay? Oh my goodness. This is the top. And I'm going to tell you, this is limited edition. I don't know. It should be the same smell, but honey, I don't know. I'm finna find out, y'all. Because this smells really creamy to me when I sprayed it. Look at the sprayer. This one smells different from this one right here. This is a limited edition, but this one right here is pink candy. And this is pink candy, but this one smells different. This one smells more sweet, more sweeter. Girl, listen, I got to get in this. Let me get into this. Okay, let's spray this one here. And we spray. The limited edition is going to be on this side. The limited edition, when I spray it, I smell alcohol straight. This one right here, this smells really good. Oh my goodness, this smells really, really good. So with, okay, let's see. With the limited edition one, it says, Pink Candy Limited Edition is a deliciously sweet perfume combination of cotton candy, raspberry, licorice powder, fig leaves, orange, strawberry, bergamot, caramel, and wood. Yeah, that is, oh, oh, oh. Oh, that smells so good once the alcohol go. Oh my goodness. Okay, this smells completely wait a minute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This smells so warm and beautiful. This right here, this pink candy is sweet. This is sweet. Let me go back to my notes, y'all, because it says the pink candy has licorice powder, fig leaves, orange, strawberries, and wood. And this one says that it has strawberries, almonds, green leaves, jasmine. So they are different. Yeah, they are different. Why did I thought they was the same? This is sweet. So I am really, really like surprised in the smell of this one right here. This pink candy. I wouldn't say it is as strong as Aquilina Pink Sugar, but it's strong enough. It's strong enough to know that it is there, okay? I feel the stickiness on it. It smells amazing. It smells candy-like. It smells fun. It smells fun. It smells like it's really like a cotton candy, a really sweet cotton candy. I smell the strawberry in it. This smells amazing. The licorice is very prominent in this. This smells amazing. I think this is a great buy right here. This is a great buy. I would give this a 10 out of 10. Okay, this one right here, I would give it a 10 out of 10, and that is this one right here. I would give it a 10 out of 10, girl. It smells amazing. Let's get with this one. This one smells, which that is supposed to be pink candy. It smells completely different. Opposite. It smells opposite of this. I'm thinking that maybe this one is probably a little stronger or in the packaging, but this packaging and this packaging, I'm thinking, okay, it's different, but maybe it's probably the same because this says pink candy and this says pink candy, but baby, this pink candy is sweeter and more juicier. This one right here is kind of like fainting away a little bit, and it smells, it don't smell like no, and when I first spray it, it smells like alcohol. That's what it smells like when you first spray it. So I'm going to go ahead on and let it sit a little bit because I remember when I sprayed it earlier, it kind of like took the scent away. But This one don't really have a smell to it like that. I don't get this as laying on my skin the way it should lay. No, no. But this one right here is sweet. It smells really sweet. It smells delicious. Very, very delicious. So I love this for me. I'm glad I picked this up. I'm glad I have this in my collection because I will definitely be using this, and I can pair it with some of my other fragrances that I have, my Bath and Body Works, and yes, it will work. Yeah, this one right here, I'm not really, it's good that it's limited edition, okay? Because, baby, this right here is nice. This is sweet. This is beautiful. Okay, so that will be my review on these two right here, these two girls. Now, this one, I would keep it for the bottle because it's cute. Or I would put these two together. You know what? Let's do that. Let's see. Let's put them two together and see. So, let's spray this again. And let's go ahead and spray this one too. When I sprayed it on top of that and I went on and put this one, the limited edition one, it smelled a little alcohol-y still. Oh, it's alcohol-y, honey. Wait a minute. Dry down. Okay, I like it. Maybe I need to spray another spray of this on top of it to get that. Together, this really smells amazing together. At first, when I first sprayed it, it smelled like alcohol, but I would use these two together because right now it smells like it's smelling like a fruity, floral type of. It smells like a gourmand now. Like instead of smelling like really fruity, cotton candy, floral type of smell. That with this added to it, it smells like a fruity floral gourmand now. It smells gourmand like, you know, so I don't know what's making it that way, but it smells that way now. I would wear these two together. I would wear these two together, but like I said, just be careful of the alcohol smell. When you first spray it, it's going to kind of like turn you off a little bit. But let it dry down, okay? Let it dry down and you will have a beautiful scent. You are going to smell alcohol when you first do this one, okay? So just let it kind of like marinate a little bit on your skin, dry down. Yes. Okay. So I'm getting hot, y'all. So you already know about the ending because I got lights everywhere. But anyway, so I also got this little bath shower sponge. They have like grapes, watermelons, and stuff like that. I got this. This was $2 from Five Below, and it's a sponge for wash, for bathing, and I really like it. So I was like, you know what? Let's go ahead on and get that. Spray both of them together, girl. Spray both of them together. All right, guys. So I hope you're enjoying the series so far. If you are, let me know down below in the comment section. Like, comment, guys. Share these videos, and I will be back to you guys on another video with series 3. Okay? So be blessed and not stressed. Mwah.